Hideaway. The patented hideaway feature allows this bedrail to tuck between the mattress, out of sight. Extra long. 54 inches long, hinge point, and 20-inch tall for added security. Do not use abrasive cleaners or bleach when cleaning. Easy to set up. No tools required. Secure. Anchoring strap that secures the bedrail to the bed. Lead-free. Fit. For use with a twin to queen size bed. Only for use with bed and box spring. The Hideaway Extra Long is 54 long. It is no more a hassle in making the bed or changing the sheets. This is easy to assemble and no tools are required. The Hideaway feature doesn't get in the way of making the bed or changing the sheets. Extra long 54 for added security. The actual size of the bedrail assembled is 54 long, hinge point. This bedrail can function as a guard rail on a platform-style bed but will not be able to be tucked under the mattress. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. I will start off by saying I was apprehensive about buying this after reading the negative reviews, but I read reviews and product descriptions for various brands, and this one came out on top. I got it today, put it together quickly by myself, set it up onto the bed with help, and I love it. I got it for my 1-year-old twins when they go to grandma's, since the two for now share a twin bed there. I put the boys on it, and they shook it back and forth, put their weight on the top and sides, and it didn't budge. I wiggled it myself first, and it's very sturdy. There is absolutely no gap for them to fall between. With a dresser near the top of the bed, the rail is centered, and there's very little room to get out on the side, which is what I wanted. I have not tried the hideaway part yet though. The only minor bad thing was the written directions. They're not clear, but the pictures do the job. Also I noticed how people broke the zipper, but if you give it some slack it won't break. I have it between a mattress and box spring, and before I tightened the rope, hooks to the other side, the rail was not budging. I suggest looking for an average-sized mattress, not pillow top. There will only be a few inches of rail with a thicker pillow top mattress. You won't be disappointed.